On November 19th, the Center for National and International Studies held a conference titled Universal Periodic Review, Strategic Meeting for National Consultation and Opinion Giving. President of the Center, Leyla Aliyeva, opened the event, speaking about the benefit of the conference for Azerbaijani society and the international community. The panel discussions focused on property, labor, women's and children's rights, in which experts Sahib Mammadov, Zohrab Ismayil and Shahla Ismayilova delivered speeches. They highlighted problems concerning these rights. Topics of the second panel included the freedom of association and assembly and the rights to not be subjected to torture and the right to fair trial. The panelists, lawyer Intigam Aliyev and Asabali Mustafayev, and human rights activist Letafet Malikova, said these rights are subjected to restrictions and the decisions of the courts, which must act independently, are dictated or influenced by the government. In the third panel, IRF's chairman Emin Huseynov and human rights activist Melahat Nasibova and Eldar Zeynalov made speeches on deteriorating situation of Azerbaijani media, internet and freedom of conscience. Nasibova called increasing political and financial pressure against the independent media a big threat to its survival. Media expert Emin Huseynov noted with regret that reputable and experienced local organizations advocating for the freedom of the media and the internet have not been invited to the first regional internet governance forum that will be held in Azerbaijan this December. Then the conference participants discussed the 157 recommendations put forward to Azerbaijan during the Universal Periodic Review of the United Nations Organization, expressing their concerns over inadequate attention from the local office of the UN to implementation of UPR recommendations and their failure to participate in the events organized by civil society. The National Human Rights Ombudsman was also rebuked for indifference to massive human rights violations in the country and the government's failure to guarantee the right of access to information. Taken into consideration the above-mentioned, active civil society organizations of Azerbaijan decided that the Baku office of the United Nations and Azerbaijan's Human Rights Commissioner should be subject to public censure.